Good morning. What the heck am I doing today? Right, missions. Alright, missions. The hell does that mean? Alright, so last I left off, I was working on the mission system. And then I had to jump out because I was helping with a different game launch, which they're launching again this morning. So, let's get rolling. The other thing, of course, I'll be doing is playing the game on the side and grind up all those experience points. Let's check the leaderboards, make sure everything's working with the current build. Let's see, for today, we've got only Adam and Flosso. Yesterday was me, Adam, and Flosso. Man, Adam grinding up more than anyone else. Well, I can't disappoint them. So let's just get in that, let's grind up some wins. Excellent. That's one. Excuse me. All right. So what I need to do is boot up the editor and see where the hell I was. I think the thing that I had last was I got it so the missions were... I was able to go in and the level did nothing, which is actually a step in the right direction. You know, it didn't show up any of the clocks or any of the other crap. And I made the level flow for that, which was this whole system here. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that this whole system level flow exists, like that we can actually go through it. Man, I need to also mock up what these things look like. Man, yeah, clear my throat. So let's start checking stuff out. Alright, so if we have our pre-mission state, what does that screen look like? So what should each one of these things do? So pre-mission is going to be in the current level. Yeah, let's write some descriptions. Let's see, this is pre-mission, stay in current level. We're going to need to show the name of the mission. So we've clicked on this thing. I guess we need to go to the level for the first stage. Yeah, okay. So yeah, because we need to load into, like, if we have a cutscene, where are we playing the cutscene? Because we want this to be as simple as possible. Like if we do a retry, if a person has like a retry on post-mission screen, where does it go? Does it go back to pre-mission? Or does it go back to loading stage? So it kind of looked like that. So if we went from post-mission to pre-mission, we might have to do a level load all over again for a different stage. I mean, but you're going to have to do that anyway. We go through the mission cutscene again? I guess we'd want to go to loading stage. Like, bam, just go straight to it. Alright. So the pre-mission cutscene probably should exist in any level. So loading stage should be where we actually load the level. Alright. Actually, we might want to move to an empty level. Like move to a transition level. Okay, why don't we do that? Yeah, so the name of the mission, countdown to mission start, show the objectives of the mission, show your best results for mission. Countdown to mission start, and press button to skip. Okay, pre-mission cutscene should just have press button to skip. Loading stage has got nothing on it. Pre-stage is going to have the... What do we got? We have a name. Okay. Alright, so what's the pre-stage cutscene gonna do? I guess just press button to skip. Alright, this is going to have stage-specific UI, and that sort of thing. Post-stage cutscene is going to have press button to skip. Post-stage will have, let's see, we'll have a result message. The result ranking so far. Yeah, pre-stage also needs to show the game mode overrides, the player overrides, and the bot overrides. I guess the other thing here we should show is list of stages with map thumbs, something like that. Let's go score a goal. Victory! I think that's pretty much it. We've got the exit team tier. Okay, post-mission cutscene. Again, it's just going to be press button to skip. Post-mission needs to have a result for mission. So we'll have the mission name, result for mission. If you got a high score, your previous results on this mission. if you'd like to retry. That's pop-up only. That's how you do it. So I don't have mock-ups from Atom on these UI screens because I don't know, it's one of those things when you start actually putting your stuff into documentation and flows, all of a sudden you're like, oh god, there's, you know, it takes time to make mock-ups and like think about stuff with UI. And then when you finish it, you're like, all right, we've got all the UI done. I can't think of anything else. And then you go start building, and it's just, I've made a horrible mistake. So let's start. So with our mock-ups, our very crappy mock-ups that I'm gonna make. So pre-mission is going to Alright, so we'd have like score 5 goals. We might actually want objectives to be like in plain English. Score 5 goals. Yeah, description. I guess we don't want a list of stages. I'm trying just to think about what these would look like. I should just list all the information we actually have. I think probably the objectives we don't really need. I think this might also be a simple screen. Like, we don't... Do we need a thumbnail? I like the idea of showing the stages. I like the idea of basically stages go from left to right, and we can kind of float them in the middle or something. So like you click in here, and it's like start mission. I mean, in some respects, we don't really need all this trash because we already have like current tier up there and some stuff. I think just having a description might be enough. Alright, so what's pre-stage gonna look like? Alright, well, let's at least grind some points while we're confused. Yeah, I don't think we want like the overrides or any of this other stuff. We just want nice descriptions. So like in game, I'll probably have all these things. I think we probably want to move all this tier stuff out and do something else into like a kind of a pause menu sort of thing. So I think we need like some sort of details widget. Which can pop up here basically. I'm trying to think of what information we actually want to put on these screens. It's since we're doing so much with this, it's kind of difficult to anticipate exactly what we want. Because it'll be like, what type of UI should we have? Should we have the detailed UI? Should we have just simple? We're gonna have to have that like hold start to retry or something like that. Alright, cool. I'm just looking at the status of this game launch that I'm helping out with. Let's see, they've currently got 12 server crashes. Oh shit, that ain't good. Yeah. Alright, so let me see. Active servers, what do they got right now? 9. Okay. Looks like I'll want to look into this just a little bit. Let's see, they have server crashes, abnormal terminations for their game. Let's go over to game lift and see what the fuck is going on there. Just like 0. Okay, I think that's wrong. Let's see. So they got the public. Man, this is a real pain in the ass to look at. Fleet scaling, fleet scaling, fleet scaling, blah blah blah. Game sessions. One active game session. Alright, so nothing going on with that guy. 11 on demand. Server process did not exit within 30 seconds of on-process termination. It's a whole bunch of forced terminates. We don't have logs on it? Well, it's not being used, so I don't know. It says it's got active instances and active servers. I don't know what the hell they did. It's like, I'm looking at it, I'm like, this thing says it's angry. Yeah, I don't know what the hell is going on with that. It's like server processes were active, it just went up and down. I don't know. That's their shit. I don't know exactly what's going on with that. So I'm trying to think about this details screen. So like, if you're in this mission, you want to see all the information. Like, I want to know to get diamond tier, I need less than 30 seconds on this part of the stage. I mean, I could just, if we threw it up here and we just got rid of all this crap, like the detail widget is really kind of tough. I'm not sure about those thumbnails. I always run into that fucking tree. I mean, if we just took these out, these thumbnails, and we just threw the tiers in there. I kind of like this pared down idea. I'm not having the stages there. I think these stages, we need more stuff. Like, we want to know, like, if the stats are hidden or something. Or if it's ranked. Yeah, that'd be something else. Or if it's just... Alright. We'll just do this. So let's do, what's the post-mission screen look like? Results would be mission name, category, and then we probably have a list of stages. And then a result for it. And kind of at the end of that, you'd get your overall rank. Oh man. Gotta figure out all this stuff. Oh man, slow ball, isn't it? Yeah. I still got it. Gonna take another look at their dashboards at the moment and see what these events. Wish they had these events on a damn log. Huh. Well, dashboard stuff really isn't super amazing. So let me look at the metrics. So they've currently got 8 active instances, 24 servers, 1 game session. This is really hard to fucking read and know what the hell everything is doing. current player sessions, and it just has 1. It's amazing. You can't get the number of goddamn users on a graph in GameLift. See if I can find anything better about this. No, we don't got any decent stuff like matchmaking metrics. Let me see. Matches placed. I guess it's working. Ah, man, it's tough to read. Alright, well, we'll just leave that alone, as I can't read it, and if they don't have any real telemetry on that, like, it's not like I'm gonna make it today. EU West is London? That's EU West 2. So maybe he's talking about Ireland. I don't know what the fuck he's talking about. There's no EU West that has anything in it. He must have meant US West. Oh man, so many balls.